How to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can screenshot on Snapchat without notifying or without making anybody know. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, in order to take a screenshot on Snapchat without anybody knowing, the process is a little bit tricky, but it is really possible. Now, depending upon the update and depending upon the time you're watching this video, this method may or may not be applicable for you. Snapchat could notice this glitch and they may be able to fix it soon, but I will simply just show you the way on how you can do that. First things first, what you have to do is I will go ahead and open up the Snapchat app on my phone. Once you open the Snapchat app, you want to make sure you are logged into your account, and first of all, what you have to do is simply go to this chat screen which you see at the bottom left corner of the screen, which is your Snapscore page. Now, once you are on this particular screen, what you have to do is, first of all, we would need to swipe down our quick panel settings, and we would need to simply turn off our Wi-Fi and then enable the airplane mode. Once we enable airplane mode and disconnect any of the connections we have from the internet, we will go ahead and open up the snap of which we want to take a screenshot of. For example, let me just go ahead and open up a random snap over here by this person, let's say for example, and what I will do is I will simply take a screenshot of this particular snap. Once you've taken a screenshot of this snap, you can see we've taken a screenshot, but if you look at the chat screen, you can see it says you haven't taken a screenshot or anything. Now what we want to do is from the very top left, you can see this Bitmoji avatar. All you have to do is simply tap on this Bitmoji avatar. As you tap on Bitmoji avatar on the top right, again you have to tap on this gear icon, which is the settings icon. As soon as you tap on the settings icon and come to your settings page, you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and find the option which says clear cache. So as you can see, the option which says clear cache, I will simply tap on it, and then I will tap on the clear cache and continue button. Don't worry, this is not going to delete and log you out of your account. It will simply only delete some of the temporary junk files which are stored within the Snapchat app. Now, once you've also successfully cleared the cache, the final step what we want to do is simply go ahead and then restart your phone. So depending upon your volume button combinations, you want to go ahead and then simply restart your phone first of all. Once you restart and then come back to this video, what you have to do is now you can go ahead and then disable your airplane mode, and now you can also turn on your Wi-Fi, and no one will get notified that you've basically taken a screenshot. We hope the video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.